Alright guys, so for assignment 5.17, the persuasive essay slash speech, you guys have been asked to record yourself delivering the speech, which basically means you're going to pretend that you are sitting in front of an audience delivering this speech to them. This video is a couple of tips and pointers on devices that you can use to record your video on, and then ways that you can share that video with your teacher. This actual whole slide deck is uploaded in the OLS as well as obviously the video since you're accessing it. But if you have additional questions after this, please make sure that you do reach out to your individual teachers. So let's look at some of the different devices that you can use to record your speech. Alright, so your good old-fashioned laptop. You can use your embedded camera if your laptop has one, which most modern day laptops do have an embedded camera. You may use an old-fashioned video camera if you still have one of those laying around. Your camera on your phone is another very good way to record your video, and in fact you guys are probably most familiar with using this device. And then if you have a webcam, an external webcam may be installed on your computer, you can use that as well. The only thing that I would say is if you choose to use an external device such as a video camera or your phone, please make sure that you know how to get your video from that device to your computer, or that you know how to upload it to like a Google Drive or a OneDrive so that you can easily share that link with your teacher. Those are a couple of different devices that you can use to record your video. Just make sure before you are set to record, there's another video in the OLS that gives you some tips and pointers on lighting and staging and clothing and things like that to make a successful speech type video. Make sure you watch that before you record so that you have all those tips and pointers at your fingertips and you make a fantastic video. Okay, so once you have recorded your speech, and you've done such a fabulous job on it because I know that you guys are going to, you have to get it to your teacher. Okay, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. The first one, you can upload the video to your Google Drive or your OneDrive and share that link out with your teacher. You'll just copy that link and put it at the bottom of your persuasive essay. This is very easy to do if you did use your phone to record your video and you have a Google Drive installed on your phone. It's really easy to upload your videos there, as long as they're not too big. If you use an external device, once you've saved that video to your computer, you can upload the video into the assignment's Dropbox when you're submitting the assignment, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. If you use your computer's internal camera, make sure you know where that video is saved, but then you can upload that to the assignments Dropbox as well. And then the other option is you can upload your video to YouTube and then share that link at the bottom of your essay with your teacher. So I'm going to show you in the OLS how to upload those videos to make sure that your teacher gets that second part of this assignment. Okay, so now I'm logged into the OLS and I'm going to go into the assignments tab because that's where there's a couple different ways you can access the assignment when you're ready to submit it, but that's the most direct way for this purpose. So I'm going to go into the assignments Dropbox, and then you'll scroll down to the 5.17 persuasive essay slash speech, click on that, and then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll see you've got three buttons down here. You've got add a file, record audio, or record video. For the purpose of this assignment, remember you're going to be submitting video. We want to see your smiling faces delivering these persuasive speeches. So the first thing here, add a file. This is where you will add your actual essay when you are ready to submit. You are submitting two things, the written essay and then the video speech. So when you're ready to do that, you just click on add file and you'll go to your computer and then you'll go find that file. You'll upload it from wherever that needs to be. You can also upload your video in the same way, as long as it is less than 1 gigabyte of data. Okay, so when I look at my video that I'm about to upload as a sample here for you, I'm going to show you how you can check the size of your video. So I'm going to go here and go to properties. This is my video, Modern Love Letters, what it's called. I recorded myself reading something to you guys. And then go to properties and it will tell you right here. The size of this is 32 megabytes. So I am less than 1 gigabyte of information. So I would be able to use that. So then I would go to upload my file. and I'm going to go to Modern Love Letter, double click on it. This has to go all the way to the end, and it does take a little bit, but once it's all the way to the end, you would click add, and then that file would be there, okay? The other way you can upload a video file is I know it says record, but if you click on record video, and I'm going to upload the file here, and then you would go through the same process where you choose the file. Now, if you just want to record directly, just like this, from your computer, you have the option to do that. You can go when you're ready, you've got the written part of the essay done, and you just want to record on your laptop camera from right here. You can actually record. It says record webcam video. So if you have a camera installed on your laptop, you can click record webcam video, and you'll see, hi guys, that I'm right here, and I can go to new recording down here, and I can record up to 30 minutes of data here. And then you would just, once you're done and you're satisfied, you've got your video the way you want it to, you go to add, and then that would add that video to this assignment, so that when you click submit, I get your video and your files. So you can do it that way if you would like to. If you have any other ways, maybe you know a better way, you guys are very tech savvy, any other ways that you want to submit a video to your teacher and get that to them, just reach out to them. If you have any questions about anything, make sure you reach out to your teachers and you seek their advice before you submit anything if you're still having those questions. All right, guys, good luck.